Hi, my name is Janice. Today I'll be sharing with you in WordPress, right? How do you remove this feature image when you have actually a YouTube embedded video? You don't want the feature image over here. Okay, how to do it? Basically, you install a plugin called Conditional Display Featured Image on singular pages and posts. Okay, let me just copy this. I have actually installed it. I just want you guys to know how to get it. Click on the plugin section and add plugin, and then you search for this conditional display. Okay, conditional display feature image. Okay, just type conditional display. This is the one. Install it and activate it. Okay, this will actually able to don't show the feature image in singular post or page view. Okay, you will hide it. Doesn't. Okay, you will hide it. You will not show it in the Singapore post or page view, but in your uh, sort of like catalog view, or here, later I'll show you guys, it will still show your thumbnail. Okay, your list of product posts that you want to show, you will still list, but in singular post it will not show. So how? Okay, now we have I've already installed an activator. Okay, I go to one of my posts just now, that Instagram post. Okay, this one. Okay, after you install, right, you scroll to your right hand side. Okay, this one over here, feature image. Below there will be this display feature image in post list only. Hide on singular views. Click on it, and then you update. Update. Okay, and then you refresh. Your feature image is gone. It will now only show your YouTube embedded video. That's how to actually remove the feature image on singular post. And then I'm going to show you that this thumbnail image of this post is still there by going to this page, free training tutorial. By the way, I am providing also free training tutorials, which I put in YouTube and will be also showing in my website janiceong.sg.com. to like and subscribe. There you go. My feature image is still here. Okay, when I click on this, it will go into my post. Okay, there you go. It's only showing the YouTube embedded video. It didn't show the feature image. Okay, that's it. That's how to actually remove the feature image from posts, but you still keep it in your list. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, goodbye.